Afternoon or evening?
Good evening.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
My name is
Yeah, I'm also James Amanka.
James.
Yeah,
Williams now. Okay. So you guys are in charge of this hospital?
Yes, basically this is Holy Spirit Clinic, Datono. We are here to provide healthcare services to the inhabitants of Datono and its environs.
When you say its environs,
We have villages around Datono. It's a community though, but we have villages around the area. So they come here for
so with all the villages, it means that this is the biggest hospital around?
Yes, this is
the biggest,
their health reliable health facility. They come in here for health care. This is our emergency center or emergency department, where we render healthcare services to emergency cases. At a point in time we think we are not able or we will not be able to handle the condition, we stabilize and then now refer the client to Kukum District Hospital and then maybe Gosu District Hospital. So basically, these are the receiver for infectious and the non-infectious dustbins. And these are our receivers. I mean the sharpers, or let's say injectable needles and syringes. We put them into the injection boxes.
The one that you have to keep where are they?
Yes, we have them at the pharmacy department. Okay. We have a small place where we keep our drugs. And if I can show you the place. So, as the inscription says, emergency pharmacy stroke stores. So we are now entering into the pharmacy. Basically, this is our small pharmacy plus our office. You can see this is our pharmacy, and then this is our office. This here we keep our files here, and then you see this one. So that's the deteriorative nature of the structure or the edifice of the facility. And you could also see at times when clients comes, we direct someone to stand here and then guide, so that the person shouldn't touch and then there could be unfortunate electrification. So if we are able to get, a complete renovation of the facility, it will strengthen its strength, and then it will be able to last longer, and we will be comfortable working here as a deprived area to help the deprived people, and then the holistic healthcare that we are all yearning for will be able to render healthcare services to the people.
And for the vaccine issue, we don't keep the vaccines here at all. The dose we use for immunization, we don't keep them here because we don't have the fridge that will be able to contain them. So any day that we normally schedule the clients. So if we get the number, we will go to the next community and now beg from them. And when we come and do, we will return the vaccine to them. Because
so day in, day out, we have to go to the next district, get the vaccines, come immunize our clients, and at the end of the day, we send it back. Like I was already saying, we render OPD services, outpatient department services. We also render child health care services. We also render antenatal, maternal, and then postnatal healthcare services to the people or the inhabitants of the community and its environment. So basically, this is Holy Spirit Clinic. As you can see, very we are at a deprived area, and then if we get your help, I think it will be much appreciated. And this is our OPD, where when someone comes, we assess the person clinically. The vital signs will tell us what to do. So basically, this is our OPD. We take the vital signs here, then we get to know, the root cause of the condition. Then we start treatment. And this is our RCH, where we render healthcare services to, the children. So vaccines, weighing, and then even nutritional counseling are being taken care of at this particular place. So when you look at this place, that is our records. You see our folders being organized. And that is our records. We are able to use those information to be able to calculate to give the appropriate dosage for the client. But the problem that we have when we give, maybe when we have an artesunate, for instance, 60 milligram, and want to give the person 30. You know, when we reconstitute the 60 milligram, and then we take 30 out of the 60, the 30 left, we have to discard it. Of which, in other distance, if we had fridge, we could have been able to keep it and sustain the potency of the drug, and then maybe give it to another patient. So basically, and then the general renovation of the facility, you could see that the facility is dying.
Present this fridge to you to help you to store your vaccines and other medicines. The name of the file is
Please, on behalf of my staff and everyone within the community, we are also grateful for this offer. In fact, when we applied, we never believed, but you have made it a reality. So we are grateful to Kessben Foundation, and then we hope we continue to help the needy ones so that at the end of the day, we all give glory to our dear Lord. Thank you very much.